I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now I've had this one for about a week now, you know, maybe a little more, but it's a model that I have never owned before. It's my first time owning this particular model, so let's go ahead and bring it in. Boom. 380s. You know that labeling right there. You know that labeling. Yeezy Boost 380, made by Adidas. Alright. Nothing on this side. Is there anything on the bottom? Normal Adidas labeling. Alright. Now, these are the Yeezy Boost 380. Alright, colorway is Onyx, Onyx, and Onyx. And the size is that unicorn. That unicorn size 13.5. I swear, if I enter a raffle and I hit the unicorn, it seems like I win. If I go for the unicorn, I win. But if I go for a 14, I lose. It's almost like I have to go for my true size. So let's go ahead and get into these, man. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can dig it. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can dig it. Let's go ahead and get the paper out of here. And oh, okay. They come with extra. Is that extra laces? What is this? What? Yep, they come with some extra laces. Oh, oop, I done ripped it. Extra pair of black laces. That's cool. Then what color? Aren't those black too, or are those brown? I don't know. Maybe a dark brown. Maybe a dark brown on those. I can't really call it. Ah, I see what it is. The laces on these. Okay, I see. So they give you the option, at least it looks like, to, because these don't have regular laces, it don't look like. Ah, it's my first time with the 380, so I'm examining with you all. I'm going over it with you all. How would I get these up out of here then? That's weird. There's actually, this is my first time noticing, there's actually no shoestrings. There's like no laces that come out. You know what I mean? You just pull here and tighten everything. So if I wanted to put these in, where would they even go? If I was gonna put these laces in this shoe, how would I even? Maybe on the sides, because there are holes going around the side of the shoe. So maybe I will put the laces in on the side if you wanted to do it like that, but you don't even tie them up. Okay. I can dig it. I can dig it. We may have to do that. Oh, yep. Maybe they're on the side. But anyway, once again, as you can see, on the tag there. This is the unicorn size. This is a 13.5. My true size. I have not tried these on, so we're gonna see how they actually fit. But I like the colorway. I like the colorway. Nice chocolate brown colorway, dark brown. I don't have a lot of browns. That's why I said I'll go ahead and take a shot with this one. Of course, that boost on the bottom. Nice boost on the bottom. So to me, that already means these are going to be comfortable. I'm a little bit nervous about that part. I don't know. I mean, those laces, and I just got to I got to pull the tighten. That seems a little weird. And then there's nothing underneath. There's nothing. It's not even gonna be able to. I'm not even gonna be able to show you. But there's nothing underneath the layer here that is preventing the shoelaces from hitting your feet. So that we're gonna have to see when I take these on feet. There's nothing. There's not another layer of material that is preventing the shoelaces from hitting your feet or your socks or whatever, rubbing against your feet. So we're gonna have to see. This is really, really thin here. This is all that kind of mesh material. That's weird. It's not the same. Where are my? It's not the same as, say, this, where, you know, you see you have the laces there, and underneath, well, I guess it is the same. Huh. I guess it is the exact same. Weird. Weird. Let me put those to the side. You see the lace going, or the stitching going down the center, just like the 350s. And then you have it on the back. Okay, so I guess I've never noticed that the laces underneath are just right there. Like, I've never noticed that. But if it's gonna be the same as on the 350s, then I'm sure that'll be pretty comfortable. So I'm not even gonna trip. The front is kind of similar there. The front is similar. So that's always good. But it looks like there's just a little bit more room in the toe box area. It look a little bit wider. And then the back area, whereas this was kind of ridged on the back here, this is that smooth and looks a little higher. It actually looks a little higher. I haven't watched a whole bunch of reviews on the 380s. I haven't seen them in person until I have my pair. So, pretty nice. Pretty nice. When these initially released, I was overseas, so I couldn't get them and I couldn't see them like that. But now that I'm back in America and I can actually see these aren't bad, man. These aren't bad. On the inside, it is a very, you guys aren't even going to be able to see it, but there is a very, very dark Yeezy and Adidas logo on the insole there. But, moment of truth. You know what we got to do now? We got to take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. Okay? On feet look for you. Boom. And let me tell you all, when it comes to the fit, of this shoe, perfect. Absolutely perfect. There's nothing else I can say about that. This is the perfect fit. There has been no other shoe that I can think of in recent times that has been a more perfect fit and my true size of a 13.5 than this shoe right here. I mean, it's perfect. Perfect length. Perfect width. It's just perfect. It fits exactly how I would want it to fit. I have zero complaints about the shoe being on my foot. Zero complaints. This is amazing. the comfort level with the boost, the fit of everything. I don't feel the shoelaces like I thought I was gonna feel them. It's just the perfect feeling. I thought not having laces and this pull tab was gonna be annoying, but it's not. This is an amazing feeling, actually. I haven't felt like this in a while as far as the fit of the shoe. It's just nothing really to complain about as far as the fit of the shoe. The one complaint I do have, though, is getting the shoes on in the first place. Like, this area around is a little snug, so there's a little struggle game getting the shoes on. But once they are on, whew, let me tell you, comfort on 1,000. So I definitely recommend you all to get your true size. Man, no half size up, no half size down. Get your true size. These feel amazing. Man, these might be my new favorite Yeezys as far as comfort. Man, that is the perfect fit, man. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Yo, I didn't think so initially, but these most definitely get the Bret the Hitman Hart championship belt kiss of approval, man. Shockingly, wow. Wow. It's always crazy because some of the Yeezys that I don't expect to like as much wind up being like my favorite pairs of Yeezys. Say, for example, these boys, these all black 700 boys, these V2 700 boys, if I'm not mistaken. These are one of my favorite pairs of Yeezys. You know what I mean? Didn't expect them to be. This one, I said, you know what? I just want to try a 380. I wanted to see how they are, how they fit, how they are in hand. And I got one now, and like, wow, man, this is a really comfortable shoe, a very comfortable shoe. And I know I said that it is a struggle game to get them on, but taking them off is easy. They just slide right off. Boom, slide right off your feet. But man, very dope, very, very dope. And if you can get a pair, maybe not in this colorway if you don't like the chocolatey brown colorway, but I like the chocolatey brown, you know. But if you don't like this colorway, try and get you a pair in a different colorway, because these right here are just too sweet. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. Last I checked, we are about 5 away from Big Roth 3K. Alright? Keep hitting that subscribe button if you like what you're seeing. Thank you all for your support. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.